Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump rope for weight loss. Jumping rope is an incredibly effective exercise, burning approximately 10 to 16 calories per minute, making it a powerful tool for shedding pounds. It engages multiple muscle groups, including your core, legs, and shoulders, providing a full-body workout. Regular sessions significantly improve cardiovascular health and stamina. Plus, it's a highly efficient and portable workout, perfect for any fitness level and location. To begin, select a jump rope that reaches your armpits when you stand on its center. Proper form is crucial for effectiveness and injury prevention. Keep a slight bend in your knees and your elbows close to your body. Jump only 1 to 2 inches off the ground, primarily using your wrists to turn the rope, not your entire arms. Maintain a straight back and keep your gaze forward throughout your workout for optimal posture. For an effective workout, start with a 3 to 5 minute warm-up, including light jumping. Then, try interval training. Jump for 30 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Aim for 3 to 5 rounds of these intervals, gradually increasing your jumping duration as your stamina improves. Incorporate variations like high knees or crisscross jumps to challenge different muscles and keep your routine engaging and fun. For sustained progress, remember to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after your sessions. Combine your jump rope routine with a balanced, nutritious diet for optimal weight loss results. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed to prevent overtraining and allow for muscle recovery. Set realistic goals and consistently track your progress to stay motivated on your journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.